beautiful, hey beauties, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to do a very simple hairstyle on my 4C hair, right? But first of all, if you have been following me, I used to say I usually dye my front hair because I have gray hair there, and when they pop up I always dye them. And some of you were asking the product I used to dye my forehead. So the product I'm using is Sios brand. I love their product because it is not aggressive on our hair type. I think it is because it is made for Caucasian hair texture. I am not too sure, but I love the company. I love the brand because it doesn't leave me any shedding. So when I buy one pack, I use it like 6 to 7 times, right? Because I only need to take a small portion to mix and apply it in front of my hair. I have gray hair all over my hair, but the important one I want to cover up the one in front, to just to bring out the style I always want to do, right? So and when I apply, it lasts like 2 to 3 weeks before I can renew it. And sometimes when I don't have time, if you guys used to follow me, I also use their hair mascara, right? I use that hair mascara to cover up my gray hair when I don't have time and I am about to do any style, that like a quick style, and I just take that hair mascara and apply it in front, and then I am good to go. When I dye it like this, I wait for like 25 to 30 minutes before I go ahead and wash it. And you can choose to put a plastic to cover it up, or you can choose to leave it. I always leave it like that because I think it is, for me, it is not needed. Yeah, and you can see while applying that the color changes. The more you apply, the more the color changes. So before you even go ahead and wash it out, you see that all it is all over dark already, as you can see in the video. So after I have waited for like 30 minutes, I'm now going to wash it with the Pantene shampoo and then the Sios brand hair conditioner. So after I have washed, this is how it looks like. The reason why I use shampoo is because I don't want the color to be showing up as if I have dyed my hair, right? I want it to show just like this. You don't normally use to wash your hair with shampoo when you dye your hair, but I love doing that because I don't want the color to be showing up. So, and I also wanted to wash my full hair, so that's why I use shampoo. So I always use shampoo. So now that I have finished washing my hair, I am going ahead and oil my scalp, especially those edges. It's a self-made oil that I did for my hair grow, especially the traction alopecia that I was having. I can see there are some changes. I'll be sharing the mixture very soon, guys. I just want to continue seeing whether it really works so that I will share it with you guys. If you are used to follow me from the beginning, you will realize that the way my edges were before, there are some changes right now, right? They are not grow yet, but you could see there are some changes. So I also use the oil to oil my full scalp because it helped me with the itchy and then dandruff. I don't always apply it, right? I apply it only in front, but when I washed my hair, I feel like let me also apply it in my full scalp so that it will be also helpful with any other stuff. So I'll let you continue watching the video. After I finish applying the oil, I'll go ahead and do a small scalp massage and then apply my Kento leave-in conditioner spray before I go ahead and proceed into the style I'm talking about, right? And the style I'm going to do is just a simple style that I want to show you guys without combing the hair, without doing anything, just a simple look in as a kind of wash and go. I'm not going to add any product. And I love you all, guys. I will let you continue watching the video. It was a pleasure for me to do this video with you guys, to share it with you. Thank you for always coming across. Thank you for your support. I love you all, guys. Until we meet in my next video. Mwah!
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that